Zizozibuya Gingomo zigaba wemaweni Azilela ngaphekhaya ingomo zigaba Magwedini thathani indonga zenu siwele ngaphesheya komfula lo Kelengezansi emaweni kulapho silele khona ingomo zigaba Ndithi magwedini thathani indonga zenu siwele ngaphesheya komfula lo Kelengezansi emaweni kulapho silele khona ingomo zigaba Sizozilanda emaweni Zozilanda emaweni kulapho silele khona ingomo zigaba Sizozilanda emaweni molweni Kraaifontein Ngokuya ndanisakwazi ukucula ndandisenza zawiki zimnandana azancasa igama nguZanzolo iduna lomthonyama King of the Cape Coast igongqongqo le rap Gonondomkhulu Ndicela uzazisa khawundiphe DJ ngicela uzazisa Isithimba sendoda sikose emgalweni Sikwindlela esiphethe kanye ekuthaleni Kulapho esimfundiswe sivunwa kakhulu wentabeni Isithimba sendoda sikose empahleni Isithimba sendoda sikose emgalweni Sikwindlela esiphethe kanye ekuthaleni Kulapho esimfundiswe sivunwa kakhulu wentabeni Ngenjenjeke emaneni ukugabula izigcawu Hlabele emgama nikhalo ndahuqa zokushindawo Loku mcubu ubheke idlomu iduna lomthonyama Khangelani igama Lady Freya mthekopho yafihlwa khona intaba Lidode nesakhono sokuqula unqinqiqi zokhokho Nhlibambi ngesibhalo zolathi Mekuba maqongo Jangoba ungathongo kwekho Ngibubungqina bamabo omxhosa ngesidima sendoda Boleka lengqondo indlebe ekuqaqatha uzimisela ubuqondo Thuleza ukuzimba ngezikho kunimziwo khaya Samago Isithimba sendoda sikose empahleni Isithimba sendoda sikose esigalweni Sikwindlela esiphethe ngaye ekuhlaleni Kulapho esimfundiswe sivunwa kakhulu wentabeni Isithimba sendoda sikose empahleni Isithimba sendoda sikose esigalweni Sikwindlela esiphethe ngaye ekuhlaleni Samago Qobosha ba Dimlondo ngubhetya Ndingudlomo ikhaya liseLady Freya emtsheko Samago Ezinye iziduko andizozibalula ngoba singazalana Asinawubafumana omolokazana Sesawude sizalane nangomakhulu ukhokho kakhokho hayi andingeni bawo Asinawuba nabafazi Yeah man, otherwise ingosi kakhulu to everyone who pulled out who pulled through namhlanje K-City plug, you know what it is. Shout out to Mary J the plug. Yeah man. DJ singaphozisanga maseko mntakwethu. Ngicela sithi bayeza kusasa ne bayaqoqoza bavuleleni bavumeleni bayeza kusasa samagushe kumathongo yes bayanqoqoza bavuleleni bavumeleni bayeza kusasa bayanqoqoza bavuleleni bavumeleni bayeza kusasa bayanqoqoza bavuleleni bavumeleni bayeza kusasa bayanqoqoza yakholwa ngenhliziyo ndavuma ngomlomo anzenzanga nenziwe liyaphilela mithongo amayeza aphelile sinyanga ngale mibongo asanzolo inkunzi eginye inhloko nempondo kakade kwandwa isengelwa phansi inkomo enethunga kakade kade kwanti njebo buzizwa inkome nelunda limlo mdakashola unsundu ngebalo ubuweka ngokomoya ayimvotho ke lamazwi ngicela usiselo zokholo xa isinqe saba negazi thini kungaguli imvula ndisela xanisa ndisombela unganihluphi ngikhathwa litoli igqirha lomkhosi hlwele zakuthi ngiqethuka amathambeka noba sekuzongo mizulu letha ngesikatshiwo ngempepho kusadula impundu gqirha lami lihlebele kuzawuluka naku kutshabalala eliphupha kawujenxa ngichitha ibhuka Tsamaku bayankokoza bavuleleni bavumeleni bayeza kusasa bayankokoza bavuleleni bavumeleni bayeza kusasa bayankokoza bavuleleni bavumeleni bayeza kusasa bayankokoza bayankokoza Acho sidwesha kudala icele kwingumxhosa kalokwethe ngotolo lutsolo umxholo zange waphoso bathethile abadala nalo liveleleka ikroba ke manithathe izixhobo zami xa liqhwile emva kwexhoba umboko liqonga dwesha ndiyavuma ndiphothulelwe isinqa lethu nontongwane ndiyagula ndosulelwe thungelelani kwegxwakusha nxasingqumbu yeminyanya khona ukuze kuthethe ubumnyama kuzokuvela ukukhanya ndiyingqondi yobulunga kweziqule eqhuzosiba ayathetha amathambo kodwa uthule tulo mzimba ndivuselela uhlombe lokholo lweveli isichiba kuba sityeshe lapha ekhaya sakubuya kusela amanxiwa kwesisinala mhlawumbi ishwangusha kwinqila zomdaka kaloku urhoxisa unongeke uzibizela unomganga phekwephekwe olungenathwana komthonyama nomdlanga Tsamaku bayankokoza bavuleleni bavumeleni bayeza kusasa 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 bayeza kusasa onomathotholo bayeza kusasa bayeza kusasa onomathotholo bayeza kusasa bayeza kusasa Tsamaku bawo Tsamaku yabulela ilali sithi Xosi sithandaza ngolhlobo ke thina apha kwantu siyacamagusha sithi Xosi kubele siyaphahla asihambi sodwa sihamba nabantu abadala King yam xa nobeke isitulo apha ngaba ndi wrong apha ya ndifuna uhlala apha kuso khona siseni baba isezantsi okay benifuna khona umnyusisi benifuna usondela kuye bi plan yami leya but ke I love black women. I love black women, man, to a point where that ndabhala ingoma ithi unomnyamazana umolokazana ya masiye but hey bawuze nomuntu wakho mbambele kufitshane bra
Ona nawe molokaza njabulo wena nomnyamazane unipeni ikuphutando lwami mina nawe sithando sami njabulo wena nomnyamazane unipeni ikuphutando lwami
nomnyamazana wena nyathela ngabantwana sizalaqelele yakuthama nengonyama enyaweni zakho amagusho komthonyama mina nawe nokala namanzi phoko kona masi phepha nabaphansi mina nawe local slacker after na brenda kasi phala sendokazi nontshongo lo iqaba ngingi noguqula ibhaji thambo lami lomqoqa wena ngisengincasa hlala undize sibuke dala ucekwa kusasa mamakhe wena ufanele ngusesane kunondwayiza singele golide liqhakaze xa ukhamisa yakholiseka nguwe sini yakubophelele ndibuyela kuwo ndisenqumele ekaleni ngathi ndibutyiselwe payini ndikwethe igawula ezizweni yam ndiphume napha hey
Mna nawe molukaza selingenjabulo wena nomnyamazane unipe ikukuthando lwami mina nawe sithando sami selingenjabulo wena nomnyamazane unipe ikukuthando lwami
Nomnyamazane been eyeing you for a minute It's no joke, these folk really in it to win it Yakona baniza bafana bathanda ukuphazamisa aba bayeke bayasiphambanisa wena ungowami cala nje thuba lokuzibonakalisa I know what I'm about to say is probably nothing new but girl my mind, my body, my soul love with you Ncomo lwakho lugosa nenqomo mazinyo likhephu nezithoko ayingomabele zinkomo sivele ngempondo shiya abafana belila imvule nesikhoto ndiyathemba ndimo yakho amkelewe kwandisa ubuhlobo thuma lo malume bayontsokotisa inqoko khona kuze ubhinqa uthwala uthokobisa inhloko mvuze yothando suke ndibenga uthonqo hlelo ndenza zive ngayo engathi kudala ndikwazi umama kungize thi indoni yamanzi lusu lumbuluso kwesikhumba sosana kwesosivana zothanda cala undichazele lo mfana ndikuthanda ukuthanda esigubhe siyobalindwala hey
Mna nawe molukaza selingenjabulo wena nomnyamazane unipe ikukuthando lwami mina nawe sithando sami selingenjabulo wena nomnyamazane unipe ikukuthando lwami nomnyamazane mzwakaze mhle wena umuhle wena ukahle mzwakazi enhle siluthu koluthando omnyaka funa ukubona ngikhathele ndizokunika lonke uthando mna nawe molukaza selingenjabulo wena nomnyamazane unipe ikukuthando lwami mina nawe sithando sami selingenjabulo wena nomnyamazane unipe ikukuthando lwami mzwakazi enhle siluthu koluthando omnyaka funa ukubona ngikhathele
Black beautiful women man yabona iweni senza sizenze la way ish matters of the heart my nigga le way ungayidlalela umedium le fit this is hip hop awe sizo rapper manyanya we don't battle MCs we battle with the government Kidnap the MPs, ban on the parliament. Hey, real hip hop for freedom and equality. Real hip hop for socialist economy. We don't battle MCs, we battle with the government. Kidnap the MPs, ban on the parliament. Hey, real hip hop for freedom and equality. Real hip hop. I'm the guillotine MC, enemy of the state. I cook this food for thought just to give you a taste. White supremacy. Lityatanga pesko kuba if you ready to die for freedom. Tata nalitu. Tashulika shalom. Besko neni shkuti miyo. Okay, anaki shelengo jeno kampondo zeko. This way of thought is a passage to the future. Peace and strength to the comrades, we salute ya. African hip-hop caravan, we alute ya. The world is about to change, Zinshuku Mozolucha. To all the masses, activists and free posts, Shimorenga continua solidarity, we combat. Akoma Tandabuzo, Pambilisi Yaya, Wale Mino Yang, Sitimbumba Yamanyama. Pumupulo comrades in Kugu Nelanga, Le Yanchukwano from the Saki, Halele Kukwana. Take back the power now, Tronum Zabalazo for the red, black, and green, Fella Glom Zabalazo. Take back the power now, Uchenum Zabalazo for the red, black, and green. We don't battle MCs, we battle with the government. Kill up the MPs, ban on the parliament. Hey, real hip hop for freedom and equality. Real hip hop for socialist economy. We don't battle MCs, we battle with the government. Kill up the MPs, ban on the parliament. Hey, real hip hop. freedom and equality. Real hip hop. I'm the guillotine MC, the state nemesis, straight from the underground, cultural activist, with the black bomb in the streets, making my people proud. Natural born leader, banging the thunder sound, rap music for precious purpose. No, we don't fuck around. From the ground up. Of the revolution, mechanic of anarchy, counter power solution. No perpetrator string will free us all, that's an illusion. The state is an oppressive instrument of the elite. Dynasty must be as back at the common to eat. Undermining the notion of humanity. I'm exposing they send me. Top as vocal is pretty quick. They pay more money to the companies per worker than the companies pay the workers. You know what it is, yeah, yo, we don't battle, we don't battle, yo, we don't battle MCs, we battle with the government. Kill up the MPs, ban on the parliament, ayy. Real hip-hop for freedom and equality. Real hip-hop for socialist economy. We don't battle MCs, we battle with the government. Black man, you on your own, till you regain your knowledge yourself, you never see the throne. Black man, come home. We the ones we've been waiting for. No bystanders, emancipation, what we're fighting for. Funa umhlaba wethu sibe nokwazi ukulima. Funa umhlaba wethu sonsundu ube nezima yima. Kwimizimveliso sibe nokwazi ukudlala indima. Kwimilawulo njengenzima, njengendima. Yeah. Yo, we don't battle MCs, we battle with the government. Hey, ibambe bao. Ikone nyi. We won't rap, bro. Kono mnyunshit, kono nyi. Kono nyi light. Kono nyi light endiza ibiza. Tsoyem landwan, tsoyem. Ikula naye from a primary. Kandi mdala kuye, but guess asifundi primary so bayithi. I'm sure you know a song uzwikande we going places.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Let's go.
Yeah.
Aye, cool. While kusekwindo ndondoni, dila MC mosumna. Your niggas know bars, right? Yo, I bench press bars for a living, building up my body of work. Mad spitting bars go over heads, that's Olympic weightlifting. Flow stay sharp like knives in a chef's kitchen, man. Listen. I treat ciphers like a buffet. That's a feast mouth watering. I'm bar conjuring on beats. I'm a beast conquering. Mass murder. Get hang with your flag while peace offering. I'm still torturing, slaughtering. Work MCs for not honoring. Lyrical dopeness on wax. They train of thought of tracks. So it's best to go back to the backpackers era to place a bet on the first verse. Or stay cursed with that mediocre, man, that shit is the worst. Don't give me no ass, just give me the cash. No caskets or body bags, I bend them to ash. You know I skin cats in many ways. Hammers banging on the roof like squatter camps on rainy days. I got renegade with the semi-blade in my pen game. Fire! Let it blaze. I don't fight, what we can party now. I don't fight, I fight, what we can party now. Shit! Alright, let's go, King. Alright, cool. Connie, indoors corner, yabo, asinozithini. So, before the I'm gonna give you one more a cappella and then the hlike. Usiqibo noZanzolo, banobela kolubhaqolo lwenkolo. Lwembongi nezadlokolo, Siqibo noZanzolo. Babhensi sinyane bechala ucwethe ngodolo olutsolo, Siqibo noZanzolo. Banobela kolubhaqolo lwenkolo. lwembongi nezadlokolo usigqibo nozanzolo babhensi sinyane bechana ucwethe ngodolo olutsolo dinga bethanga mlonyeni ngwivu yasemathileni suke ndachaza intambo sonyolunguna apha emgibeni ngokuko nokuba thanda umlevo amakhosazana koko sisina sidedelana nxa ukuba ndiyaphazama njengandoda ikhoya apha ekhapha bendibangahlomla kule nyewe kanye imbiza zilinge nabapheki izigere zilinge nabachebi mna ndilenkwali phandelenye mna ndilentaki manokokha ngoboya benye ungondleki komphefumlo kubonwa ngandoda ubhitya iloo nto sityikitya so lapho khamba bembuza bezinyikitya qumuhlazo thina nconguphalo jika ivinkuthazo phila kaloku liduna lomthonyama nginoza kuzaku inguquko embundozo ba wanthethi nganguqu yempucuko shicelela incwadi lemveli ngokomnombo wakwantu emva kwezinqe zamanina amadoda ahlabela ugwatyu butsha kunqaka mamanina nqesha kuphakama amavila zitha zikhala ngamaphika gweba indlala ngosiba noncwadi kwimvaba sondla imbedlenge vaba ngemvaba ngodaba lokubhala sizinjengele uzwi kantu yabulela ilali inkosi kakhulu tsamagwe nje